Good morning, all of you. Today also I am going to relate small story. Now, are you ready to listen the story? Okay. Now stay in front of the laptop or telephone and be quiet and listen. But when I ask question, you should have to give answer for me. Okay? This is very nice story. But please try to teach what you can teach from this story. Okay? There was a girl. There was a girl. Her name is Bindu. What's the name of this girl? Bindu. What is the name of this girl? Bindu. Then Bindu is little girl like you, like Nunara, the Sanya, likewise. Okay. Then do you know this Bindu's Ammi? She is very good, very kind mother. Then she loves so much for the Bindu. Every day mother cook rice, vegetables and very tasty meals for the Bindu. But Bindu, she doesn't like to eat rice and curry. Every time she wants eat buns, noodles and also like quite short east. It's okay. Once a month like that we can eat that. But every day can we eat noodles? What will happen to our body? That is not good, no. But this Bindu is little bit naughty. Why every time that when moms gives rice, she was telling, I can't eat rice. I want noodles. I want a bun. But while she is crying, Ammi gives. Those days Ammi gave bun or noodles. But she is not fair and too thin, not heavy, too light. Then when teacher is teaching, she can't understand properly why. Every day she is eating that junk foods and short east. But if we want become big and fair and beautiful, we should have to eat rice and curries and like chickpea, green grains, cowpea, eggs, leaves, fruits, vegetables. No? If we eat more, we will be fair, we will be healthy, we can learn properly, we can see our eyes properly. No? Then, do you know what happened? One day, this Bindu was playing in the yard. Yard means compound, midule. Then, when she was playing, suddenly a great wind came up. A great wind came up. Do you know what happened? Suddenly, Bindu went up with wind. She went up with wind. Her frock also blowing like umbrella. With wind, she went up. Now where's the Bindu now? Now where's the Bindu? She is in the sky. Why? Is she heavy girl? No, she is too light. Why? What is the reason for that? She is not eating rice and curry. Chickpea means we call kadala. Green grams, cowpea, mungeta. She is not eating. She is not eating rice. Every day eating only bun, noodles, biscuits like that. That is the reason. Now, Ammi doesn't know anything. Ammi is cooking in the kitchen. She was cooking. Then, now where's the Bindu? Now she is in the sky. While she was looking around the sky, no one is there. Only clouds are moving. Then she started to cry. I won't go home, I won't go home, like that. But can she? No, she is moving like a kite in the sky. Then what happened? While she was crying, little by little getting dark. Little by little getting dark. Again Bindu started to cry. Getting dark. Oh, bats also flying likewise. She can see bats were flying in the sky. Then She'd remind Ammi, Tati, now they also will find me. I won't go home. Like that she was crying. But can't help. Then suddenly she heard a one of noise. Then maybe one of God in the sky. That God says, ah, you are not eating rice and curry, no? Huh? That is the reason you came up. Okay. Then if you promise to eat rice and curries, cowpea, chickpea, green grains, vegetables, fruits, I will help you. Otherwise, no. Then Bindu, okay, hereafter I will eat rice and curry and all the things what mother gives me. Okay, please help me. Like that she was telling. Then, do you know what happened? Suddenly start to rain. Now heavy raining. Then little by little her frocks, her frock got wet. Her frock got wet. Now little bit she was heavy because that wet clothes, wet frock. Then little by little she went down. Now, after few minutes, she was in the yard. She was in the compound, that means Midule. Then, while crying, she ran to the house. Then Ammi asked, what happened? See, you got wet. No, please hurry up and remove your clothes. Coco, come. Like that, Ammi removed her frock and wiped her body and gave another frock. Then she told, Amma, hereafter I don't want that junk foods. I don't want eat only bun, noodles and biscuits. Every day I want to eat rice and curries. Not only that, I would like to eat leaves, green leaves, fruits, chickpea. Can I have? Now I feel hungry, Amma. Mommy wondered, what happened? No, I won't become heavy. I won't become beautiful. I won't be healthy. That's why, Amma. Okay. Like that, while giving kiss for Ammi, she sat to the dinner. Now she is eating rice and curry, green leaves, vegetables, fruits, eggs and those things. Really she is eating bun and noodles. Then Ammi also so happy. You also is eating rice and curry or noodles and bun? Please think twice. Will happen to like that Bindu. Okay. Then what Ammi gives, then you should have to eat. Okay. I know my little kids, you are very good. You likes to eat rice and curry, vegetables, fruits. Okay. Bye.